meeting. Okay, can we start, everyone? Bisa dimulai ya?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, great. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Verbal Evaluation Part 2 with me, Miss Dinar Primasiwi. And today we will have 10 presenters presenting 10 topics that we have learned in this semester, yeah? And our presenter today, okay, the one and only Firda Aulia, who will present Passive Voice Part 2. Firda, are you ready? Okay, Firda, the time is yours. Speaker, please. Ada masalah dengan PPT-nya, Firda?
Sepertinya Firda ada masalah, Miss.
Iya, gimana?
Suaranya tidak muncul.
I see. Wait a second. Tapi ini udah kedengeran ya? Wait, tadi yang ngomong siapa? Firda bukan?
Imas, Miss.
I see. Coba dicek lagi, Firda. Firda, bisa dengar saya? I see. I think there is a problem ya. Okay, Firda, can you check later? Kita ke presenter yang berikutnya dulu aja ya. After Firda, passive 2 and then conditional sentence 1. Cecilia sudah ada ya?
Ada, Miss.
I see. Are you ready?
Ready, Miss.
Okay, please. Firda sambil coba dicek lagi ya audionya ya. Okay. Because there is problem with Firda, let us continue to second presenter ya. Please welcome Cecilia. Time is yours.
Miss, ini kelihatan PowerPoint-nya enggak, Miss?
Yes, already. You can start.
Hi, good night, everyone. Thank you very much for having me here. I'm Cecilia Deiretop, and today in this occasion, I'm going to present topic for conditional sentence 1 let's get started. Definition: conditional sentence is a compound sentence that has a conditional about imagination, assumption, and something that has never happened. Therefore, in type 1 sentence, the conditional tense in the if clause is simple present tense. In the main clause is simple future. Pattern: if plus simple present, comma, subject, plus will, plus verb infinitive. Clause: if plus simple present, if this thing happens. Clause utama, simple future, that thing will happen. There are two examples of conditional sentence type 1. Number 1, if it rains, I will not come to your house. Number 2, if I study hard, I will pass the exam. Ini kuisnya, Miss. Maaf, Miss, nggak kedengaran suara, Miss.
Ya, boleh dibacakan dulu.
Choose the answer that you think is most appropriate to complete the blank. Number 1, if it rains heavily underwater, A, will your home end up? B, will your home be ended up? Number 2, if you call Tessa, I others, A, will call, B, will call. Thank you, Miss.
Okay, thank you very much, Cecilia. Okay, you can answer the questions from Cecilia in the chat, yeah? Okay, now
Thank you.
I'm going to continue to the next presenter. The next presenter is going to present conditional sentence part 2, yeah? It is Anggreni Rara. Rara, are you ready?
Yes, me.
Okay, good, Rara. The floor is yours.
Bisa dimulai, Miss?
Please, you can start.
Hello, everyone. Thank you very much. Hello, everyone. Thank you very much. Halo. Halo, Miss. Apakah ada suara?
Agak kurang jelas ya. Coba cek lagi.
Halo. Halo, halo.
Okay, it's okay.
Hey, hello, everyone. Thank you very much for having me here, Dim. Anggraini Rara. In this auction, I'm going to present how about conditional tense type 2. Type 2. Sorry, Mi. Okay. Bisa ditekan, Miss. Udah. Conditional tense itu conditional tense type 2 are used to express something that is unrealistic or very unlikely to happen. 3 for this type is suitable for expressing our dreams. Pattern number 1, I plus simple past, present conditional. Number 2, present conditional ditambah I ditambah simple past. Example 2, present conditional plus I plus simple past. I will go to the concert. I had more money. Thank you. Sudah, Miss.
Okay, can you show your questions first? Coba diperlihatkan dulu pertanyaannya.
Ini Miss, sorry, Rara ngebuat pertanyaannya. Jadi kalau pertanyaannya bisa nyusul, bisa tidak? Jadi yang lain dulu gitu.
Oh, send it to chat ya. Silakan
Oke.
ditambahkan di chat.
Oke.
Thank you, Rara.
Thank you,
Now,
Miss.
let me continue with the next presenters. Next presenter is Aryani Putri ya. Aryani, are you ready?
Ready, Miss.
Okay, please prepare your PPT and share your screen to your friends.
Sudah kelihatan, Miss?
Yes, you can start.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Sebentar, Miss. Thank you very much for having me here. I'm Aryani Putri, and today in this session, I'm going to present direct speech versus indirect speech. Definition: direct speech is a direct sentence that is marked by question marks. Example, I love your dress. Whereas indirect speech is an indirect speech is an indirect sentence and does not have to use question marks in the sentence. Example, Rina said she loved my dress. Sentence patterns: direct speech, kalimat positif, subject plus verb plus object. Interrogative, subject plus do atau does, not verb 1 plus object. Indirect speech, kalimat positif, subject plus verb to plus object. Interrogative, subject plus did not, verb 1 plus object. Example, direct speech, Irma said, I like the food in this restaurant. Interrogative, Rania said, I don't to the beach tomorrow. Indirect speech, Irma said she liked food in that restaurant. Interrogative, Rania said she did not to the beach the next day. Questions. Give an example of a direct speech sentence and change this sentence into indirect speech. Bella said, my mother buy nail plates. Well, I guess this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for attention and see you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Aryani. Nice PPT. Okay, now we're going to continue next to our next presenter. Reported speech part 2. It is Aulia. Aulia, are you ready?
Good evening, Miss. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
In this occasion, I wanna presenting about report speech 2, present perfect. A reported speech is speech which tell you what someone said but doesn't use the person's actual words. For example, they said you didn't like it. I asked her that her plans were. The change indirect. The pronoun like my becomes her because it's changed, and I changed to be she. I am becomes was, love become love, tonight become that night. Direct. Okay, direct speech like the example. How is Risa doing? Is she out of the hospital yet? Siva said, I haven't heard anything from Risa. Haven't heard. Use May told me that she had not heard anything from Risa. Here, use reporting verb that told me and change pronoun from I to she, and back shift present perfect to past perfect. The pattern is direct speech, subject plus have or has plus verb 3, and report speech, subject plus had plus verb 3. Direct speech, subject have, has, not plus verb 3 to be subject had, not plus verb 3. Here the other example, Andi said Tina made me angry. From simple past to be present perfect, Andi said Tina had made me angry. Mary said I have moved to Germany. From present perfect to past perfect, Mary told me that she had moved to Germany. Okay, here the exercise. Make a sentence about report speech from simple past to present perfect. Number 2, make a sentence about report speech from present perfect to present perfect. I think enough of my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you, Aulia. Aulia, I guess you can write the questions in the chat ya. Ditulis saja buat kalimat indirect atau reported speech dengan menggunakan misalnya present perfect atau dengan menggunakan simple past. Seperti itu saja ya. Oke, dibuat yang pendek kalimatnya. Good. That's it from Aulia. Hanif is already here ya. Hanif, present? No response. What about Firda? Firda, is your audio okay now? Audionya sudah okay?
Sudah, Miss.
I see. So you can start the presentation, yeah?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, good. Now let's continue to our next presenter, Firda Aulia with passive voice. Time is yours, Firda.
Sudah kelihatan, Miss?
You can start.
Hi, everyone. Thank you very much for having me here. I am Firda, and today I am going to present passive voice 2. Let's get started. Using the present perfect. The present perfect is a tense that usually describes something about the past that has a continue with the present. It can describe a past expression that has implication to now, or it can refer to an action that began in the past and continue in the present, or it can express a action continue that creates consequence in this moment. Passive voice in present perfect tense. Like in active voice, main verb of passive present perfect tense is always in the form of past participle verb 3 and is begin with auxiliary verb has or have. The difference is that passive present perfect tense gets a addition auxiliary verb been. pattern of passive present perfect tense. Active voice. Subject plus have or has plus past participle plus direct object. Passive voice. Subject or direct object plus have or has plus been plus past participle plus or mean by again. Again in passive voice is the subject of the active voice. In passive voice, the subject acts as the receiver of an action, while the again is the doer of an action. This pattern is used for transitive where thought verbs are generally in the passive form. Note: the use of have or has is based on the subject in the passive voice, object in the active voice. Has is used for singular subject, she, he, it, while have is used for plural subject, I, you, they, we. Example: he has prepared great salad for the present. Great salad have been prepared for the present. Number 2. We have verified your application. Your application has been verified. Number 3. I have sent the document already. Document has been sent already. Modal verbs in passive voice, active voice, and passive voice. Can be. He can drive a car. A car can be driven by him. He cannot drive a car. A car cannot be driven by him. Can he drive a car? Can a car be driven by him? Must be. He must learn this book. This book must be learned by him. He must not learn this book. This book must not be learned by him. Must the learn this book? Must this book be learned by him? Maybe. She might eat an apple. An apple might be eaten by her. She may not eat apple. An apple may not be eaten by her. May she eat an apple? May an apple be eaten by her? Make be. She may kill the snake. The snake may be killed by her. She may not kill the snake. The snake may not be killed by her. Make she kill the snake. Make the snake be killed by her. Sold be. I sold by this cloak. This cloak sold be bought by me. I sold not by the cloak. This cloak sold not be bought by me. Should I buy this cloak? Should this cloak be bought by me? Ought to. You ought to help her. She ought to be helped by you. You got no help her. She ought not to be helped by you. Cloth be. He cloth claim Mount Everest. Mount Everest cloth be claimed by him. He cloth not claim Mount Everest. Mount Everest cloth not be claimed by him. Clone he claim Mount Everest. Cloth Mount Everest be claimed by him. Will be. She will sign the contract tomorrow. Contract will be signed by her tomorrow. She will not sign the contract tomorrow. Contract will not be signed by her tomorrow. Will she sign the contract tomorrow? will the contract be signed by her tomorrow? Forming passive with modals. Affirmative form object plus might, must, can, could, ought to, should, will plus be plus verb 3. Negative form object plus must, might, can, call, ought to, should, will be verb 3. Question form must, might, can, call, should, will plus object plus be plus verb 3. Past participle. Party change into passive. Number 1. Benjamin must win the competition. The competition must be won by Benjamin. Number 2. The doctor can persuade her. She can be persuaded by the doctor. Number 3. Our English teacher may give an exam today. An exam may be given by our English teacher I. Now I would like to give you some question to check your understanding about passive voice 2. Question 1. Active voice, I have finished the job. Passive voice, the job blah 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 by me. Number 2. Active voice, the cat has drunk the milk blah 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 by the cat. I have watched that movies blah 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 by me. Thank you, Miss.
Okay, thank you, Firda. Next, I'm going to continue to the next presenter. It is, let's see. Okay, Imas Setiani. Imas, are you ready, Imas?
Ready, Miss.
Oke, oh, wait a second, Imas. Tunggu ya. Salah
Iya.
sepertinya saya. Reported speech dulu. Novantiadi ada ya?
Hadir, Miss.
Oke, I guess it is your turn. Giliran Novantiadi dulu ya. So
Ya,
you
Miss.
are going to present reported speech part 3. Please, Novantiadi, time is yours.
Halo. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you very much for having my here. My name is Novantiadi Ismoyo. NIM 200106112. In his ecosys, I'm going to present report speech 3. Let's get started. Direct speech. The X word some as to can be recorded in writing for the question mark. Example, Arman said, me, father, does smoke now. In direct speech, I report or summary of that summary side to us. To us report verb sounds as said or told. Example, Arman said that his father did smoke then. Carry on. Lanjut. Present modal verb or aquarius. In direct speech, difference can, called, shall, sold, will, would, have, or has to, had to, must, had to, or must, might, make, or could. Example, David said in can speak 5 legs. David said that the colt speak 5 legs. Joy said, I will never see you again. Joy told me that would never see me again. Modal verb or aqualics that remain the same. Direct speech, cold. In direct speech, cold. Milk, milk. Ought to. Salt, salt. Volt, volt. Example. John said, I call me food. John said, what the called clock some food. Peter said, I got to start business. Peter said that he ought to start business. Question number 1. I shall preference more, said Barbara. Number 2, she said, I vote to the Fitch team. Thank you, Miss.
Okay, thank you. Have you prepared your questions, Novan?
Yes, Miss.
Pertanyaannya sudah disiapkan?
Itu
Dua
pertanyaannya. Ya.
Okay. So the other can answer the question in the chat. Yeah. Thank you, Novan. Nice PPT.
Yes.
Okay, good. So after Novan, we're going to have Imas. Yeah. Imas, ready?
Ready, Miss.
Yeah, please. Time is yours.
Maaf, Miss, apakah sudah muncul?
Yes, sudah.
Oke. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Hello,
wabarakatuh.
good evening, everyone. Thank you very much for having me here. I'm Imas Setiani. Today, I am going to present be allowed to and be supposed to. Let's get started. Be allowed to and be supposed to. Definition be allowed to information is modal auxiliaries for expressing permission and how to use be allowed to in expressing permission. Form pattern present subject plus be is MR allowed to plus be is MR allowed to plus infinitive based form. For past subject plus be was were allowed to plus infinitive based form.
So please, sudah slide ke berapa, Imas?
Kedua, Miss.
Oh, I see. Bisa di next, klik next.
Oh.
Di tempat saya masih screen yang pertama, slide yang pertama. Ya, oke.
Okay, next. For example, present positive, the students are allowed to use handphone during the lesson. The student is subject, be is are, allowed to, and handphone during the lesson is infinitive based form. Negative, the students are not allowed to use handphone during the lesson. Question, are the students allowed to use handphone during the lesson? Example, past, positive, when she was child, she was allowed to play outside. Negative, when she was child, she was not allowed to play outside. Question, was she allowed to play outside? Next definition, be supposed to. Be supposed to in obligation is modal auxiliaries for expressing obligation. How to use be supposed to in expressing obligation. Form pattern, present, subject plus be is are supposed to plus infinitive base form. For past, subject plus be was were supposed to plus infinitive base form. For example, present, positive, he is supposed to study hard for exam, but he is still playing football. Negative, we are not supposed to smoke here. Question, is the patient supposed to have medicine? Past, example past, positive, she was supposed to cook dinner for her sick sister. Negative, she was not supposed to speak rudely. Question, were you supposed to buy ticket last week? Okay, now I would like to give some question to check your understanding about topic be allowed to and be supposed to. If you answer the question, you can write answer in chat Zoom. Okay, well, I guess this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for attention and see you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, very good, Imas. Thank you. Next, we are going to have after Imas, who is that? Fauriza. Fauriza, are you ready?
Ready, Miss.
Okay, please prepare your PPT and share it to your friends.
Hello everyone, thank you very much for having me here. I am Fauriza and today I'm going to present both either and neither. Let's go started. Condition, both either and neither. Number 1, both. Definition, both can be used as pronoun to refer to two things that we have already mentioned. From or pattern, both plus adjective plus and plus adjective, both plus noun plus and plus noun. Example, I like them both very much. It was both relaxing and exciting. Number 2, either. Definition, either blah 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 or blah 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 is Asian combination in parallel continuation. Remember that in a parallel construction, the elements flowing. Maaf, Miss.
It's okay.
Definition.
Minum dulu, minum.
Definition, either or is I said combination in a parallel construction. Remember that in a parallel construction, the elements flowing the construction must be equal. From or pattern, subject to plural plus verb, subject to singular plus verb, either plus noun, either plus adjective, either plus adverb of place. Example, there was no issue on either sheet. It has BIC for either of whose. You can cause either milk or juice. The man is either brave or smart. My bag is in the room or in the living room. Number 3, neither. Definition, similar to both, blah blah and blah blah either, blah blah or neither, blah blah nor, blah blah is also a parent condition, thus the elements flowing neither blah blah nor blah blah must be equal. However, neither blah blah nor blah blah is never used in a negative sentence. From or pattern, subject to plural plus verb, subject to singular plus verb, neither plus adjective, neither plus adverb of neither, neither nor. Example, I don't like orange or watermelon. He does eat or drink. The car is not moving fast or quickly. Neither Rani nor her could I set the dinner. Neither Howie nor I really know him. Condition, but either, neither. Number 2. Condition, now I would like to give some question to get your understanding about both either and neither. If you can answer the condition, you can raise your hand. First question, blah blah my father, blah blah my younger brother is to. Second question, blah blah Dino are come late to go to school. This question, she can do sick dance. Well, I guess this is the end of my present. Thank you very much for you and test and see you next time. Bye. Terima kasih, Miss.
Okay, thank you very much, Fauriza. Now, next one is Michael. Michael sudah ada belum ya? Michael is not here. Nggak ada ya Michael ya? Anyone knows where Michael is? Ada yang tahu di manakah Michael berada?
Tidak tahu, Miss.
I see. Kalau Hanif, can you hear me, Hanif?
Hadir.
Oke, Hanif dapat passive voice part 1 tadi ya?
Halo. Hadir, Miss.
Iya. Oke. Masih kurang Hanif yang belum presentasi ya?
Hadir, Miss.
Oke. Hanif tadi sudah presentasi belum ya? Belum kan ya? Oke. Hanif,
Ya, Miss.
jaringan sudah stabil?
Insya Allah, Miss.
Oke, good. Sudah siap untuk presentasi?
Siap.
Oke, good. You can start now. Time is yours.
Ini kah? Muncul. Nggak bisa. Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Thank you
Afternoon,
very
Hanif.
much for having me here. I'm Hanif, and today in this occasion I'm going to present past voice 1. Let's get started. Okay, for the definition is One of the two voice of verb. C also active voice. A verb is in the passive voice when the subject of the sentence is acted on by the verb. For example, the ball was thrown by the pitcher. The ball, the subject receives the action of the verb and was thrown is in the passive voice. The same sentence case in the active voice would be the pitcher threw the ball. Okay, next. Passive voice is divided into is present simple, and past simple. For the present simple, in the present simple, the passive is am or is or are plus past participle third form of the verb. Remember, one, the past participle always stay the same, only in the form of be changed. And two, the subject and verb must always agree in number. For example, any positive, negative, and question. For the positive, Ben walks the dog. The passive is the dog is welcomed by Ben. And then for the negative, Ben does not walk the dog. For the passive is the dog is not walked by Ben. And then for example, question, does Ben walk the dog? The passive is the dog walked by Ben. And then for past simple, the formula is subject plus verb to and object. For example, children broke the window. The passive, the window was broken. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Finish, Hanif?
Finish.
Okay, so this is Hanif's question ya. Silahkan ubah kalimatnya menjadi bentuk pasif ya. Okay, you can stop sharing your screen. Bisa di stop dulu, Hanif. Ya, sambil menunggu jawaban dari teman-teman lain ya, I would like to give you some feedback. Saya kasih sedikit feedback ya untuk presentasinya. Okay, wait a second. I will share you my screen. Oke, sudah terlihat ya screen dari saya ya?
Sudah, Miss.
Ya, oke. Thank you very much. You have worked hard for your presentation. Saya yakin tidak mudah ya untuk presentasi, apalagi dalam bahasa Inggris. Bahasa Indonesia pun sulit, apalagi bahasa Inggris ya. Pasti lebih sulit. Apart from your presentation, I would like to give you some feedback, terutama yang berkaitan dengan pronunciation ya, pelafalan bahasa Inggrisnya. Saya catat ada beberapa kata-kata yang most of you, kebanyakan dari kalian itu masih salah dalam mengucapkannya. Boleh di-unmute ya, speakernya boleh dinyalakan saja. So you can repeat after me. Okay. So take a look at this one. Nah, kita lihat kata yang pertama. Coba deh, Aulia, coba baca kata yang pertama.
Prison.
Prison. Okay, good. So listen and repeat after me. Present.
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 Okay, itu yang pertama ya. Yang kedua, present.
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 Oke, coba dengarkan. Yes.
Present.
Yes. Good. Jadi pronunciation-nya memang ada dua. Yang pertama, kalau saya tanya, Firda hadir nggak ya? Nah, Firda bilang present. Present artinya hadir. Oke, jelas ya? Kalau saya tanya, Aulia ada nggak ya? Lalu
Yes,
Aulia
Miss.
jawab,
Yes.
jawabnya apa? Present.
Present.
Yes, oke. Itu kalau artinya hadir, oke? Present, oke? But you are having
Present.
presentation. Kalian kan mau mempresentasikan. Berarti bukan I want to present. Saya mau hadir, no. So I want to present. Coba lagi, present.
Present.
Yes. Jadi dibedakan ya. Kalau saya mau presentasi bilangnya I want to present. Tapi kalau saya hadir bilangnya present. Oke? Paham ya?
Paham, Miss.
Oke. Next. Number 2. Jangan ada yang bilang lagi does. Ya, nggak ada itu does. Oke? Atau does. Nggak ada. Oke. Listen. Do. Does. Coba semuanya ikuti. Does.
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 Kalau bentuk negatif,
Does.
ya.
Doesn't.
Coba bentuk negatifnya. Doesn't.
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 Yes. Next.
Doesn't.
Yang ketiga sekarang. Oke. Coba saya cek dulu. Aryani, coba baca yang ketiga.
Said.
Oke. Nggak ada Said. Ya. Said itu nama orang. Said. Oke. Listen and repeat after me. Coba, nggak usah dimatikan, nggak apa-apa speakernya. Listen. Said.
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 Langsung A. Said.
Said.
Oke, coba satu-satu. Imas. Said.
Said.
Firda. Said.
Said.
Aulia.
Said.
Oke. Novantiadi coba. Said.
Set.
Yes. Good. Jangan bilang Said lagi. Ya. Kasihan Said. Oke. Dipanggil-panggil terus. Nggak ada itu Said. Said.
Said.
Next, yang kedua, yang keempat, listen ya. Direct. Coba ulangi. Direct.
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 Oke. Indirect.
Direct.
Oke. Next. Oke, yang selanjutnya adalah something.
Something.
Oke, coba lihat lidah saya ya. Seh. Oke, seperti kalau kalian melafalkan huruf hijaiyah ya, sa, seh. Coba lagi,
Something.
nggak ada ting, something, bisa nggak?
Something.
Coba Aryani, something,
Something.
Something.
oke, sing.
Something.
Ya, agak lebay nggak apa-apa ya, lidahnya agak dikeluarkan. Lidahnya itu berada di antara dua gigi atas dan bawah. Sing, something.
Something.
Yes, something. Next, ini yang selanjutnya yang kebanyakan salah ya. Nggak ada agen. Agen itu bahasa Indonesia. Kalau bahasa Inggris adalah agent.
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 Oke. Next one. Ini juga banyak yang salah.
Use.
Nggak ada use ya atau use. No. Listen and repeat after me. Use.
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 Ya. Kalau tambahkan s, jadi seperti ini.
Uses.
Uses.
Use.
Uses.
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 Oke. Sekarang kalau bentuk lampau. Use.
Used.
Use.
Used.
Used. Oke, good. Selanjutnya, banyak juga yang salah seperti ini ya. Bentuk lampau yang ditambahkan ed. Nah, ini Japanese English, bahasa Inggris Jawa ya. Watched, used, nggak ada watched, used ya. Oke, listen. Watch.
Watch.
ED-nya seperti tidak terdengar, cuman huruf T. Cuma bunyi T saja. Used. Watch.
Watch.
Yes, good. Nah, banyak juga yang salah pelafalan pada bentuk modal. Nah, ini modal ini kalian harus paham ya, harus hafal bentuk-bentuk modal ya. Oke, ada yang pertama adalah can. Can. Nah, kalau dibuat lampau, L-nya nggak usah dibaca ya. L-nya itu silent. Silent artinya tidak usah dilafalkan. Oke. Dan O pelafalannya seperti U. Jadi seperti ini. Could. Yes. Could it be love? Nah, lagunya Raisa kan ada ya. Could it be love? Jangan bilang lagi cold. Ya, L-nya nggak usah dibaca. Ya. Could. Yes. Next. May. Kemudian selanjutnya GH di sini di kata might, GH-nya jangan dibaca. Langsung ke bunyi T. Might. Oke. Next. Must. Oke. Ada T-nya di belakang. Must. Oke. Oke. Bukan mus atau bukan mas ya, bukan mas Hanif atau bukan mas siapa, must ada T-nya. Must. Oke. Had to. Oke, coba T-nya itu agak-agak seperti c. To. Oke. Next one. Shall. Oke. Untuk lampau. L-nya jangan dibaca ya. L-nya jangan dibaca. Kemudian OU bacanya jadi U saja. Jadi should. L-nya nggak usah dibaca. Should. Yes. Should. Will. L-nya nggak usah dibaca. Would. Yes. Terakhir nih. Ini adalah bentuk B ya. Coba bacanya apa? Oke. S-nya jadi Z. Yes. Saya kemarin bahagia, berarti I was happy.
I was happy.
Oke, apa yang kalian rasakan kemarin? Apakah kalian merasa sedih? Kalau iya berarti I was sad. Yes. Oke, that's it. Itu hanya beberapa ya. Dan sebenarnya masih banyak pronunciation lainnya yang harus ditingkatkan. But it's okay. This is a process, ya. Kalian sedang dalam proses belajar. So it's okay to make mistake. Tidak apa-apa melakukan kesalahan. Presentasi itu sulit, tapi ketika kalian mencoba berlatih, pasti nantinya kalian akan terbiasa dan kalian bisa. Oke? Okay, and then before I end the meeting today, I would like to, what is it? I would like to announce the winner of today's quiz, yeah? Okay, so the winner of today's quiz who answers many questions well, yang banyak menjawab pertanyaan dan benar adalah Imas Setiani. Congratulations Imas.
Hore, hore.
Imas masih di sini?
Congratulations.
Selamat Imas.
Okay, congratulations Imas. I will give you a present. Ya.
Yay.
Congratulations.
Okay, I will give you a gift later. Maybe
Makan-makan
next week, ya.
Imas.
Mungkin minggu depan, insya Allah minggu depan saya ke kampus. Kalau nggak sempet, nanti saya titipkan di ruangannya, di mejanya Miss Ani, ya. Okay, so I guess that's all, everyone. Okay, thank you very much for joining today's meeting. Ternyata lama ya ujiannya. Oke, sudah pada dinner semua kan?
Sudah, Mi.
Ada yang belum. Oke, late dinner ya. Dinernya telat. It's okay. So, thank you very much for joining me in this Zoom meeting. And I guess this will be our last meeting ya. Ini meeting terakhir di semester 3. Hopefully next semester we can have offline classes. Semoga semester depan kita bisa PTM ya, kelas offline, biar belajarnya nggak perlu lewat Skalsa lagi, kita bisa ketemu tatap muka di kelas, ya. Okay, so I guess that's all. Thank you very much, everyone.
Thank you, Miss.
Have a nice night.
Good night too.
Yeah,
Nice day.
day.